Hi everyone, it's SVG Coop and we are back working on our mini album MA017, which is our pyramid mini album. And we are on, I'm not even sure what page this is, 4 or 5 something. Anyway, so you're going to have a little tag piece that looks like this, and you're going to have 2 pattern pieces that are going to go on the front and back. It's just a little, you can use it for a little photo mat or a little journaling mat. You use different colors. You could do like a black and white if you wanted, and write on it with white pen. So many things you can do with this book. You have so many options to change things around and make it fun, but I really, like I mentioned before, I need some spring. My birthday's in April, so I need spring. So I really, it's a nice time of year when the weather starts getting warmer and we can get outside. And for my friends that live in California, well, you're just lucky. Okay, so then you're going to have a big pocket piece and then a little bit smaller one. So we're going to take the smaller one first, and you're going to fold on the 3 score lines. There's going to be one on the end here. And what we're going to do is we're going to, let's see, just want to get this nice and flat. And going to put some score tape on the 3 sides here. And I'm going to overlap it just to help keep it strong. Okay. So again, we're using the little one first. I'm just going to pull this tape off. And this one. Like that. Okay, so you're going to take your square and you're just going to line this right up along the bottom. Get that down. And then we're going to do the same thing for the bigger one. So we're just going to fold it on the score lines. Okay. Some score tape here. Off first, and then I'll put another piece. Okay. Okay. Then you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to line this right up along the bottom. Like that. Okay, so you have 2 pockets. Then you're going to have a little pocket like this. We're just going to fold this on the 3 score lines. And again, I'm going to put the score tape along the bottom here. The sides. And I'm gonna get one more in here. Like that. And then our little tag will slip right inside here. I didn't get my score tape around. There we go. And that page is done. So we're just gonna put some tape on the back here. Give it a good little rub here. Hold tape off. I really like this book because it has so much flexibility to it, and it's a lot of fun, and it's just different. And I like that it's a different take on the pyramid books that have already been done. Okay, so we're going to open up our book, and it's going to go on our first blue side here. I'm just going to put that on there just like that. Give it a nice rub. Okay, so there we go. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to go. So we're almost done. All right, thanks for watching. We'll be back. Hi everyone, it's SVG Coop, and we are back working on our mini album, MA017, our pyramid album. And we're going to get started with, again, I don't remember what page this is. I know that's terrible, but if you go in order with the videos, by the time I get to that point, we'll know what the right places are where we are. Okay, so you're going to have two pieces that look like this with the 4 corners like that. Let me move this up a little so you can see it. And you're just going to put some pattern paper on there for decoration, and these are going to be photo mats. So let me just grab my glue. And we're just going to get these glued down. Okay. Now you can cut an extra set if you want to put pattern paper on both sides. I'm just going to do one today. Because then I can, if I want to use white on the back or something, I can do that to do some journaling. Okay, so you're going to have these 2 photo mats done. And we can just put those aside. And then you're going to have another photo mat. Looks like this. And you're going to have some pattern paper that's going to go on top of that. So we're just going to get this glued down. I'm going to put a different one on each side. Like this. And put another like this. Okay. Oops, that might be, just make sure. Oh, this is for, sorry, the other one, which is a little longer. So I'm going to just put that right there. So you're going to have 2 sets. One's going to be a little bit longer than the other. So you just want to make sure you get the right one on the right side. So this is shorter. Put that on there. That's better. Okay, then you're going to have, for this, you're going to have, like we did before, I cut out 2 mats and then 2 pattern papers. So I'm going to actually put the opposite pattern paper on the back of each one. So go like that. And then put this one on. Like that. And I think it looks so cute. Okay, we'll flip this over. Put this one on. And let's see. Like that. And then the pattern. Okay, like this. Okay, so it's going to be another photo mat that's going to go inside, so put that aside. So of course, now you see that we have this one. I'm just going to put the other piece of pattern paper on the back now. And then we'll start to get our page put together. Like that. Okay. So what we're going to do is we'll start start with this is our square background piece. You're going to have two pockets. One is larger than the other, so we're just going to fold on the 3 score lines here. And give that a nice rub there. And we're going to put this like this. And like that. Okay. And let's get this pulled. Okay, this is going to go along the bottom here like so. And then you're going to fold the other one on the 3 score lines, just like we just did. First one. Okay, and score paper. Oops. And there we go. Okay. So let's pull tape. Okay. Now, this one, let's see. Before I do this, before you glue that down, let's fold this one. And let's put some score tape underneath here like this. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to actually stick this inside of our envelope that we have here. Let's see. Just gonna get that lined up right inside like that. Okay, and that's gonna fold over. And then we're gonna put this right here, like that. Okay, and then this is going to slide inside here. Let me make sure. There we go. Okay, so that's going to slide inside there like that. And then these two will slide inside our pocket like this. Like that. Oops. Okay. And let's put some tape on the back. And get this page installed. Okay. I figure out why that one's not going all the way down. There we go. Okay. So, pull our book back out. And the next page is this one. So we're just going to get that on there and press that down. And of course you can turn this, if you want to turn this around for a different look. You can do that, get that in there. You have to be able to see inside there a little better to get that in. Let's see, there we go. Oops. does not want to play nice with me right now on video. There we go. Okay. So there you go. And if you want to, you can put a magnet in here to hold that down. And there we go. We will be back working on our next page. Thanks for watching.